Hello? Testing 1, 2. Lights, camera, action. All right, we are ready. Hang on. All right, sorry about that, chat. Okay, good morning, chat. Good morning, good morning. We are live. Well, is it a happy Monday morning? Yeah, I guess. We're gonna pretend like it's a happy Monday morning. Good morning, everybody. Timbo Trades, Benson, Wainwright, Alejandro, Costi 1, Micro Player. Good morning, Black Coffee. Lawrence Harris, Dean Bishop, Future Gamma Scalper, Jeremy Shaw, Jack Wiley. Good morning, Techniques, Tech 111. Michael, good morning. Young, good morning. Eric, TCM Trades. Good morning, John. RXHX Niles, good morning, Touchdown. Sean Trader, good morning, Cly. Jim JB is in the house. Tate, the one count, Classic Man. Good morning, everybody. All right, let's see what this market does. I don't know what to expect. Honestly, I'm kind of out of, I don't know. Look at this crazy daily chart. Like, we have no wicks right now on the daily chart. That's weird. That's weird, right? No wicks whatsoever. I feel like that's kind of weird. Good morning, Tony. SRQ Trader, good morning. I don't know what to expect today. Right now, obviously, it looks like it's just going to rip higher, but also, yes, I lost my take profit trader accounts early this morning. I feel like such a heel. I mean, I don't even know how I feel about it. I mean, losing my take profit trader accounts was like, I probably can't be too upset about it, to be honest. I probably can't be too upset about it. I don't know. I was feeling way too confident, and so I traded my Tradeify and Lucid accounts. That was the first accounts that I traded. Traded these accounts. That was early. I caught this move on these accounts. This little dip, I did the dip by somewhere at the 330s. I caught this rip higher last night, which was awesome. And then I caught this move on the Apex accounts, which was awesome. But I couldn't trade my take profit accounts because I had requested a payout on the take profit accounts. So I couldn't I couldn't trade them yet because the money wasn't taken out yet. So I was waiting, and then early this morning, I woke up early this morning around 4:30, 5 o'clock, way too early. And I saw that Take Profit approved my payout, so the funds were withdrawn. And for some reason, I don't know, overconfidence, whatever you want to call it. I got it in my brain that I'm going to size up. Why am I talking with my nose? What are you talking about? Why am I talking with my nose? I have no idea what you're talking about. Google it. Whatever. I don't got time for that. So anyway, so this morning, yeah, take profit. I decided, I don't know. I was like, you know what? Today's the day. Today's the day that I'm just going to have a crazy profitable day. Like, I'm going to have the best day ever. And I started trading around 4:30, right in this trash, absolute garbage price action. And I went big size. I traded with 1 to 2 minis and just got, I mean, I got just, it was never even, I don't think I was ever in profit. It was that bad. Oh, it was so bad. I feel like this chop here, it felt, I don't know, this price action here was crazy. But yeah, I just got destroyed. Multiple times I tried to go long on these breakouts and just got faked out. And then when we finally had the breakout, then I tried to fade the breakout, and I faded it, and then just that was the final straw. And I mean, 1 to 2 minis, 1 to 2 minis with this, it doesn't take much, 3-4 losing trades, and I was down 2,500 before I knew what happened. It was just so bad. Wait. Geez, chat came out swinging today. All right, let's pay attention. Now, I am going to take one trade on these Apex accounts. One. I'm looking for a pullback back into the 640s, 660s. And I'm only taking, if my first trade with Apex is a loss, I'm going to lock those accounts and I'm going to trade. As you can see, hang on, I got to take this phone call. All right, we're back. Let's go, chat. My truck is finally ready. My truck is ready to be picked up. Have you guys rolled over on your contracts? I feel like I got shafted by the contract rollover this morning. It was low volume, and I don't know. It just felt like trading this. I shouldn't have been trading it, much less trading big size, because there were crazy jumps. The spreads were crazy bad. I don't know. I shouldn't have been doing it, but I did. No excuses. No excuses. All right, I'm taking this long. Come on, market. Let's see a big rip here. Let's see if we can get a runner. Come on, market. Give me new highs. Give me new highs. Make my day. I'm not going to let this trade go red. Come on, market. We need a rip here. Go. Go. Come on, market. All right, I'm gonna kill that. Just did not get the push higher. I might retry this at the 660s, 650s down here. One more trade, chat. One more. I promise. Only one more. Yeah, the spreads were crazy bad overnight. I don't know what I was thinking. Why? I don't know what I was thinking, honestly. Come on, market. I might take this. All right, 660 is going to be the line in the sand here. Are we just going to fade? There's a chance this just fades lower. Man, this thing can't get going. I might just kill this. Man, this market just died. I want to kind of want to add right here at the 660s. I want to add, but I'm just being wild. I'm just watching right now. See if we rip higher here. I'm just looking for new highs. There we go. Now rip it. Come on, baby. Go. New highs. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Come on. Go, go, go. Give me new highs. Oh. Rip it. New highs. Go. Oh, let's go, chat. I feel better already. I'm feeling great today. You know what? This morning, I'm just going to chalk this morning up as bad judgment when I was barely awake. You know, I went and took a nap after I blew those take profit accounts. I just logged out and I went and took a nap on the couch. Took a 2-hour nap and I woke up. I'm not lying when I say I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure if I was dreaming about blowing the accounts or if that actually happened. Feel like I was kind of in a daze. I was like, the first thing I thought about when I woke up, I was like, wait, did I just dream that I blew those accounts or did that actually happen? It took me about 4 seconds until I was like, oh yeah, that did actually happen. And then I came in my office and I confirmed it. All right. Now, chat, do we take one more trade? One more trade. I know what. We keep trading these accounts until we have a loss. Is that a deal, chat? I think that's a good deal. We keep trading these accounts until we have a red trade, okay? I like that idea. We keep going until we have a red trade, and then we lock out. How can I get your NinjaTrader chart template? Mine is a mess. TradeRight Pro. I am actually working on a video. I've had a lot of people ask me how I set up my affordable indicators, my account dashboards, all that stuff. I've had a lot of people ask about it, so I'm actually going to make a video on it. I'm going to make a video on it, and I'm hoping to do it. I'm hoping to do it this week. So, Matty Matt, yeah, daily loss limit on evals. Yes, I think that's the hardest part about these new evals with Apex. A lot harder to pass. I don't know yet how I'm going to trade them. Hopefully I don't have to find out for a while. But I think you have to start out really slow, and then kind of ramp up as you build your buffer a little bit. But I mean, it's kind of hard to YOLO with $1,000 day loss limit. Yeah, Cremator. That's a good way to put it. It's not harder to pass, it's harder to YOLO. Yeah. I see, Matty Matt. The slippage kills you. I see. How many contracts are you trading, Matty Matt? You've been trading eval for 6 days now, Alan M. That's great. That's the smart way to do it. I'm new here. Can you tell me how do you pass the evals, fast or slow? Well, you're about to see it later today. I'm going to try to pass the take profit trader accounts. Obviously, I can't pass those in one day, but I obviously do. I go a lot bigger size on evals. But, that might change. I have not passed any of the Apex new end of day accounts. So, with the day of loss limit. So I will probably, if I would trade those, I would start out small, maybe 5 micros. And then if you build up a buffer, just try to kind of, but I think I don't know, scalping, I think is a good way. All right, market. I want to see a pull back into this 680. Let's see. I'm going to be careful here. This thing could dump. But I'm going to remain bullish. I'm going to remain bullish on the day until we get, we almost have to get down below the 600s before, even the 580s, before I really get too bearish. Hey, good morning, Design Knob. Good morning, Joom. I can't pass an eval if my life depended on it. Oh, I've been in that stage, Matty Matt. Oh. Yep. If the Bulls want to keep this cooking, they need the TP to hold 900. Yeah. I mean, we definitely need to hold. I wonder what what's oil doing? Oil continuing lower. Pretty big move lower on oil in the overnight. All right, I want to see what happens here at the 680s. I'm kind of interested. Starting to feel a little bit heavy. See if this is going to keep going or not. You've had problems with take profit trader evals? Oh, I am not looking forward to passing take profit trader evals again. I really don't want to. I really don't want to be doing this, but here we are. You know, it is what it is. We did take two payouts. We did take two payouts from this round of take profit accounts, but nothing crazy. But hey, at least it was something. It was better than nothing. All right, 680s tested. Do I want to take a stab at this? Kind of. All right, let's see a rip. Rip it. Come on, market. Don't leave me hanging. I'm going to have a tight stop here. Come on. I might kill this. Rip it. Come on, market. You can do it. Just right back up and retest those 720s. All right, I'm just going to move my stop to break even. I'm not going to let this go against me. Yeah, I don't know about this. Starting to feel like it wants to. When is the contract rollover? Is it just me or does it? I mean, it just kind of feels like it's contract rollover time. Is it tomorrow or is it today? The 17th? Okay, so tomorrow. Okay, that makes sense. It's today? Really? You guys rolled over today? Because I feel like it should, like, you can kind of tell. I could really tell this morning, and I should have. It's always on Monday. Ninja Trader 8 had it for, oh, really, Trader's Chick? So if I restart, it's going to roll everything over? Really? I'm actually going to do that. I feel like as the day goes on, it's going to be worse. Oh, wow. Look at this. Now we're going to get the rip. That's okay. I had a really tight stop on my runner. Should have probably tried to keep it, but I'm trading a little bit cautious right now. Let's see if we make new highs. So there is still more volume on the March right now. Huh. Yeah, I'll probably wait. I'll wait and switch over tomorrow. And there you go. New highs. I should have held, chat. I should have held. Being a little bit timid. All right, market. Feel like we're not. Hang on. What is going on here? Whoa. That's a pretty big dump. We did make new highs though, but now I'm a little bit nervous continuing to. But as long as we hold this 680s, the long should be good. Maybe just trapping the shorts here. Did Apex end up unbanning anyone last week, Kevin Tobias? I did see that there were a couple. They're basically going through it case by case. Yeah, Tanush, I know. I just have to restart Ninja. If I restart Ninja, it's going to ask me to roll over automatically. So I'm going to wait and do it tomorrow, I think. Right? I think today is kind of 50-50 on if to roll over or not. But I think tomorrow, definitely roll over tomorrow. I mean, all these dips are getting bought up pretty quickly. Yeah, volume looks to be about the same on each. Yeah, that's what I see, Black Coffee. I think today is not that big of a deal, but tomorrow, definitely want to be rolled over tomorrow. Have I seen the 1 hour chart? We just keep making lower highs on the 1 hour. Well, but we have, yeah. But right until now, like we've kind of broken this channel. We were kind of trading in this little bit of a channel. Hang on. Like we were kind of, if we want to draw some, you can get my course on how to draw trend lines. $6,500 to draw lines on a chart. If you guys are interested, send me an email. I'll hook you guys up. It's pretty groundbreaking stuff that you're seeing here, but this here is what we consider a channel. It's a channel, and what you want to do, you want to wait until we break through the channel here, and then you want to go long. It's like, yeah, you can make a lot of money. I can't tell you much more. We're going to have to go ahead and send me that email. We'll see what I can do for you, but I got to delete this. This is very proprietary stuff. Can't just be showing stuff for free these days. Our pool dig is starting today, so we've kind of made a business decision that we're going to have to start selling trend lines, chat. But I mean, what it's, I don't know, man. What's a man supposed to do? Chat, we are cooked. I tell you what, this weekend, Twitter this weekend was, man, I gotta say, I mean, the trading community, I actually feel bad. I really do. I feel bad for new people. New people coming in, it's just so bad, man. She's so, yeah, you gotta realize though, by the way, if I happen to have a chart up, if I happen to have a screen, and if I'm showing a screen that shows that I'm paper trading, that doesn't mean that I'm paper trading, guys. Okay? It just, like, I'm showing you my chart with paper trading, but I'm actually placing the real trades off screen, you know, because why not? That just would make a lot of sense. You know, if you really stop and think about it, it makes a lot of sense. Yeah, selling trend lines gets you Ferraris and free pools. That's what I heard. That's what I heard. Hey, a man's got to do what a man's got to do. You know, we got to provide. We are, as men, we're called to provide for our families. I tell you, we are cooked. We are cooked. Good morning, Citizen Zero. Also, the 6,500 is also 50% off. So, can you imagine if someone actually emails me and wants to pay that? You know, I go back and forth. I'm not joking when I say, like, okay, hang on. Do I want to try this long? All right, let's see if we can get a move up to the highs again. I'm just going to have my stop right here. If we get stopped, we're going to stop trading these accounts. I kind of hope we get stopped here, actually. Then I don't have to keep trading. Never mind, chat. We are too good. It's too easy. It's too easy, chat. trade the range. See, okay, here. I mean, I hate giving this stuff away for free, but as you can see, there's a couple ways we can trade. There's a couple ways we can trade these trend lines, like I can show you here. So what you want to do, chat? Hang on. What you want to do once we've established kind of a channel here, you just want to wait till we test the lower channel. And if we're in a current uptrend, you just want to hit your entry above the previous breaking candle. That's your entry. So hang on, I'm recording this for my course. Hang on. How do I do this? Hang on. There we go, chat. That was free. That was free. Next one's going to cost you. No, but chat, seriously. Real talk. By the way, if you're just new, if you just happened to tune in the last 10 minutes, I hope you can tell I'm kidding. But having said that, I'm starting to get genuinely curious about certain things. Like, obviously over the weekend, TJR got exposed, which, I mean, I feel like if people, anybody that's thought TJR was for real, like, I don't think you can help those people. 90% of people, or I would say 90% of people that actually did real trading, they already knew that TGR was a fraud. So that really wasn't anything groundbreaking. That wasn't anything new. So if you were shocked that TGR got exposed, that's a yikes. That's a yikes. Because that guy was a fraud from who knows how long ago. But who is TJR? You TJR. Just, I don't even know. Don't even Google the guy. Guys, but anyway, so, but it is truly amazing to me. Like, how is it possible that the TGRs of the world, it seems like those people get a following 10 times faster and a lot easier than people that are just trading for real on it. And I think that's the biggest issue. It's like, and I mean, I don't even know how you would go about fixing it, but that makes it very, very difficult. I think people, the conclusion I came to, people don't care so much about truth. It's way more important. They want to believe what they want to believe. I think that's the key. And anybody that shows them something that they want to believe, they will believe it regardless of what you show them that contradicts it. Yeah, iMan Trading did a video exposing TGR, but yeah, watch it. I know, John. That's what I really hate about it. Like, okay, because as somebody, okay, look at it this way. And I think TGR is a scumbag for the way that he, just everything. But can you blame people? Can you blame this community for not continuing to do it? The Furus will continue to sell courses and fake their results and do paper trading. They will continue to do this because it works. The only reason and the only way that you're going to get the industry to actually change is when people start to actually get a brain and not fall for it. But it seems like it doesn't matter how much you try to warn people and how much you try to point stuff out to people. like it just doesn't matter. People are going to want to believe what they want to believe. And if someone tries to tell them otherwise, it just doesn't work. People just don't have an objective. People don't have the ability to have an objective viewpoint. Somebody made a quote, something to the fact of like, it's easier. The reason it's so hard for some people to realize that TGRs or other people like him are a fraud is because then they have to realize and accept that they got fooled. And before a man accepts and admits that he got fooled, he's probably going to defend his actions. But anyway, in the end, does it really matter? I mean, yeah, it does matter, in my opinion. I also don't think it's the right approach just to be like, oh, why does it matter if people scam? Well, yeah, of course it matters. If you have some kind of morals, it should matter. Or at least, like, we should not be okay with it. Anyway. Everyone is saying Robinman's a fraud. Yeah. Well, time will tell. It's easier to fool a fool. Exactly, Red Herod. That was the quote I was looking for. It's easier to fool a fool than to convince a fool he has been fooled. Exactly. That is so true. That is actually so true. But it is. They sell a dream and people have to believe the dream. But then what's even crazier is people out here on social media defending the guy. Like defending the guy, or at least like trying to make it out like TGR did nothing wrong. Don't worry about him. Worry about your own results. I mean, you can do both, right? I have the innate ability, like, I don't know if it's just a unique talent that I have, but I do have the ability to call people out, and if they're a fraud, and call them out and point it out so people can see it. I can do that and also worry about my own profit and worry about my own journey. There is this, crazy ability that you can actually do both. People try to make it sound like you have to choose between calling people out or being profitable, and it's like impossible to do both. No, that's such a dumb take. I have the ability to do both. One does not affect the other one. Yeah, traitor or troll. Don't get me started. Don't get me started. I'll buy a pet rock, but will not pay more than $599.99. Yeah, that's true, Bob. Do I have a training program that teaches your strategy? I hope you're kidding, Papa. No, I don't. I want the Holy Grail so I can afford the whole. Hey, good morning, Bat One. We are live. Man, this thing just gonna keep slowly going higher, huh? At some point, chat, we gotta shut things down, though. I feel like I kind of want to shut this down right now. I'm kind of happy with my profit right now, the way it is. Hey, Suman the Wonder. What happened to my TBT accounts? We had a moment of silence this morning. I'm very sad to report that this morning at around, I think it was around, hang on, let me look up my email. Where's my email? Oh, okay. Sumantha Wonder. Sumantha Wonder. So I'm very sad to report that early this morning at 6:54 a.m. in the morning, those 4 take profit trader accounts were sadly pronounced dead at the scene. They were tried to be resuscitated multiple times, but they were just not meant to be. Not meant to be. And official cause of death was insane overtrading with too much size. And their time of death was 6:54 a.m. this morning. Calling hours are tonight and tomorrow. And from then on, we will have a moment of silence. Thank you. Thank you. Hang on. I got to take this phone call. Might be the... Never mind. What should you wear to the service? I would appreciate any kind of, just avoid the colorful clothing. Dark black, dark gray, or dark blue clothing would be appropriate for, if you want to pay your respects. Thank you. As of March 15th, around 80 million barrels of crude oil were in transit to Asia. I see. Any particular videos on your site to record to get started? Papa Mark, I don't see you late. I haven't seen you, so I'm not sure if you're serious or not. But I don't teach, okay? I don't teach. I am not an educator, okay? I'm very sorry to disappoint. I just trade. I'm just sharing my journey. You get to see the good, bad, and ugly. And I would highly recommend you kind of watch and observe. If you see something that I'm doing that you like and you want to do it, that's great. You get all the credit. I don't want any. If I start doing dumb things and you start picking up on it and you do it as well, I'm totally fine taking the blame. So if you need to use me as a reason for your failures, I've got broad shoulders. I can bear it. Yes, Tanush. In lieu of flowers, please send evals. Someone named Margin keeps calling. Don't know. I'm busy trading. MVP Mikey, just delete the number. Just delete it. It's like it never happened. I told you to get long on Earl. Earl? What's Earl? Teaching us what not to do is still teaching. That is true. I agree. I agree. Can I wear my Elmo tuxedo t-shirt to the service? You can also send lots of love. The OGs will get that joke. LOL. I haven't thought about that in a long time. Oh, every time I think of LOL, just the tiny little bit of me dies inside and I cringe. I cringe every time I think about it. I legitimately want to find that one girl, which I'm sure she's now married. She's probably married and got 5 kids. I have no idea. But I want to find her, and I just want to explain my side of things. I just want to explain to her, like, how wrong that I got it. I don't know. She's probably still thinking back, and she's like, man, I can't believe that idiot. Oh, man. Oh, it's too much. Too much. Grandma died. LOL. What an idiot. I am such that. Oh, I can't believe that happened. I can't. You know what I can't believe? I can't believe that I was going to take that to my grave. I really was. I was going to take that to my grave, and somehow I shared it in front of everybody. That's wild. That is wild. Something wrong with me. All right. You know what? I might switch over to my evals. Why not? I think I will. I think we shall switch over to the evals. Hey, Jim JB, I'm using the Apex copier today. It's been putting on double size. Oh man, I doubt Jim JB. They will not. I can assure you they will not. The Apex trade copier, even though it says Apex, they are separate businesses and they will treat them as such. I'm really sorry, Jim JB, but I mean, you can reach out to them, but I've had numerous cases like it. They will not do anything. They got pretty strict wording on their trade copier that they're not responsible for any. I mean, every trade copier has it. Doesn't matter what trade copier you use. If you have issues, they're just not going to stand for it. I'm sorry, Jim JB. You didn't happen to have like a duplicate window open? I know I've done that in the past where I accidentally have a duplicate window opening, and then that's why I was making double the entries. But man, I'm sorry, Jim JB. So Niles, so yes, these 5 accounts. So 3 of these accounts were credit accounts, and 2 of these accounts were resets. So going to try to pass these and get back on that take profit horse. Sad. Something tells me passing these evals and getting them above the buffer is not going to be as easy as these last 2 rounds were. These last 2 rounds of Take Profit Trader, passing them and getting them above the buffer, I did without any resets. So, I mean, I hope I can do it. I'm going to try really hard, but yeah, I don't know. My plan for the TPTs, honestly, I'm going to trade bigger size, obviously. I always do, especially on the first day. With Take Profit Trader, the first day I try to go for like 4,000 in profit, something like that. Get that first day in, and then after that, just look for like $2,000 days. That's kind of how I like to. That's how I like to pass Take Profit Trader accounts. The first day, get halfway or close to halfway, and then the next 4 days, just divide the 4 days by the amount of profit you still need, and have that be your goal of profit every day. That's how I prefer to pass Take Profit Trader accounts. Yeah, take RXHX, exactly. It just makes the next 4 days so much easier. I feel like if you can get halfway there the first day, then like what I hate doing is taking it really like, okay, if I have $1,000 day the first day, $1,000 day the second day, $1,000 day the third day, and fourth, like, and then the 5th or 6th day, then I blow the account, then like that's what gets really annoying. But to each their own. I mean, that's how I like to do it. Yeah, it is Trader Debs. The low volume, I think, at least partially because of the rollover. I do believe that. But right now, I mean, the volatility today has been very mild. We have had a very mild opening session so far. We've barely even had a 100-point move on the day, which is kind of crazy. Hang on, chat. I think they're here. Nope, it's the trash guys. I thought the guys for the pool were here. Nope. All right, starting to pull back a little bit more. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a bigger pullback here. Maybe a pullback back into the 680 area. Looking for yesterday's highs. I did roll over today, so I'm wondering if the volume isn't that high. Yes, it is, and I feel like it's definitely a. Do I know what the Apex compliance red flag watch list is about? No, I don't. I did see a screenshot of it. I'm trying to get more information on it. From this just assuming that it's probably, you're being monitored. And that is only on the legacy accounts, from what I understand. The Lucid Pro and the Flex accounts. So hang on. I got to pay attention here. 680s. It is trying to. Man, it's tempting to try along here. All right, we're trying to bounce off the 700s. All right, let's see what happens here at the 680s. Man. And here we go. Feel like it's a little bit dangerous just to be buying this pretty big pullback here. Kind of broken this trend. I might just wait. The low of the New York session so far is the 623s. Ooh. Man, I'm gonna do it though. This is what I wanted, so I'm gonna take it. If we get entered, we get entered. We're in, chat. My stop is right here. I will take profit right here. See if we can get a ripper. Rip it, chat. Rip it. Go. This is where it could roll over. Man, I'm so tempted just to take my profit. Yeah, we should. Let's just wait. I don't know. Need this to get back above the 690s. Yeah, I don't know about, I don't know that I like this anymore. Kind of had a little bit of a fake move, and now we could roll over. Yeah, I don't know about this. I'm getting out. I don't like it. All right, I'm going to stop trading those accounts. We're going to switch to the TBT accounts. We're going to switch to the take profit evals. I am done on the Apex accounts. No need to be do anything stupid. All right, let's see. I mean, now I kind of want to see what happens at the 620s. Let's see. I'm going to start with 2 minis. Hey, 3K payout locked in on Lucid. Let's go, RXHX. Let's go. Nicely done. Lucid, I believe, Lucid is still 50% off for new customers. 50% off the first two accounts. Or is it? Hang on. First two purchases. $50 off, limit of 2 per trader. You don't have to be new. So 50% off, limit 2 per trader. That's a pretty good deal. And then I think it's 30% off after that. Or 40%. No, 30%, I believe. Yeah, after that it's 30%. How much drawdown do I have on the take profit accounts? 4,500. Take profit accounts. Oh, you mean on the Lucid? On the take profit evals, you have 4,500. Oh, Trump is talking? Oh. I am still on the March contracts. I'll be rolling over tomorrow. Man, this thing's starting to look like we're going to roll over. Not sure that I want to take it. I'm going to wait for the 620s. I'm going to take that 620 bounce. See if we can get it. Let's hope we don't rip higher right now. Let me get in. Hey, how it's going today? It's going okay, Diego, but I blew my take profit account so early this morning. So that was definitely not good. Definitely not good. But other than that, we've had a pretty good day. Let's see if we can get a test at this 620s. Come on down. This is always where I get scared that the market's going to rip back up without me. Gosh, I'm scared. I'm scared I'm going to miss out. I'm trying to be patient. Gosh, it's going to annoy me if this rips higher now. Yeah, I'm not, Sharuz, I'm not rolled over yet. I'm going to roll over tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to roll over tomorrow. I think it's okay. I think today you can technically trade either or, but tomorrow I think is the day you definitely want to roll over, in my opinion. Okay, okay, come on down. Now I'm very happy that I didn't chase this. Woo! Patience paid. Patience paid off that time. I think. I think. I'd love a sweep down and sweep the 600s maybe, and then look for a long. It's kind of the 620s. If the 620s, 600s don't hold, then we definitely got to look for long. We got to look for shorts. Really, market? Really? Really? No. Now I'm going to have even more FOMO. All right, chat. I give up. I give up, chat. I give up. We're going in. I'm just going to go one contract. And hopefully, if we take the L, we take the L. But this thing is looking like it wants to. It's trying to put in the bottom here, the way it looks like. Ninja does suggest June. Yes, I know. And I will roll over tomorrow. It didn't suggest June last night, but it does now, I believe. Man, it's crazy trading one mini. One mini is crazy. Maybe get punished here for jumping in. Uh-oh. I will add here the 620s. And then we're going to have to bail at the 600s. Hate taking a loss on the first trade of the new evals. Whoa, chat. Whoa. That was a crazy sweep. Come on down. Man, it is warm in this office. I'm like sweating. All right, I want to see us test. Come on. Gosh. It's wanting a retest of this 620. Oh, man. We might have missed our chance there to add, but it's all right. Got to get above that 660s. Let's see. Gotta go. Gotta go right here, right now. Rip it back up through the 700s. Come on. Go. Wish I would have added. Wish I would have added on that sweep of the 620s. I wasn't ready. I was not ready. All right, let's see. Can we get above the 670s? Then we got to get above the 680s. Hmm. I hate how the contracts have different levels. Same RX. Same. It messes everything up from the different numbers and the levels that you were looking at. Yeah, I agree. It's super annoying. All right, I'm considering, and I really wish I was in on more than one contract here. Really wish I was in 2 contracts here. I would take profit on this right here. I might do it anyway. Feel like if 680 is where we might reject, and if this wants to make new lows, this is probably where it will do it. All right. Let's hope we get a pullback. I don't know. If this rips straight up now, we're kind of cooked. I also need to use the restroom, so I need to go. I need to go. I will be right back. All right, we're back, chat. Oh, snap. All right, looks like kind of want to get long here. I kind of wish I would have held. I might go long here to 6. I'm gonna look for more longs on this pullback. design up. Hey, let's go, Mr. Knife Out. Let's go. Thank you, Knife Art. Good morning. How are you doing, Knife Art? Good to see you. You're talking about the 600s and you're in the 800s. Yeah, that's what's so bad. I don't like that either. Come on, market. Give me a little bigger pullback here. Give me a little bigger pullback and I'll jump in. All right, I'm taking this long right off this 670. This is where it's so crazy trading minis. Trading 2 minis. It's crazy time. Crazy time. See if we can get that pump. And we're going to get stopped here. I think I'm going to get stopped. Maybe there's a chance. Oh, did we just get saved by a tick? Did we get saved by a tick? Come on, market. Rip it. Save me. Save me. Oh, it's not going to do it. Maybe. No, it's not going to do it. Rip. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know. We might just rip. This thing might make new lows. Chat, can we get lucky? Can we get lucky? Come on, market, rip it. Go. Go. Save me. Don't give me hope. Don't do, please. Please don't do the hope and nope. Don't do the hope and nope on me. You know I don't like that. I don't like when you do that to me. No, don't do the hope and nope. It's doing the hope and nope. It's doing the hope and nope. It's unfortunate. It gave us hope, and then it said nope. Shh. 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 Chat. Shh. 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 Chat, I can't believe it. Cannot believe it, chat. Look at this. My stop was at the 24,646.50s. The low of this candle was 24,647.50. 4 ticks away from, we were 4 ticks away, chat. Oh, hang on. Sorry, market, I spoke too soon. Excuse me. Excuse me for mentioning it. I take it back. I take it back. I'm sorry. Come on. Really? Really? What is going on? Unbelievable. That's so annoying. Come on, market. I really don't want to get stopped out here. I'm almost tempted just to take my break-even trade here. Okay, go. Rip it. Come on, just go. 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 Keep going. Did I just take my profit here? Oh, I almost had the wrong size. Yikes. Thank you. Thank you, Sil. I just now saw that. Come on. Pump it. Pump it. Go, baby. Go. Go. Oh, yeah. We like that. We like it. Go, baby. Go. Go. Rip it. Give me the 720s. Give me the 720s. Go. Come on, don't pull back. Just keep going. Rip it good, rip it real good. Come on. Kidding me? Come on, man. It's going to come back and stop me out, and then it's probably going to rip. It is what it is. And we're gonna get run. Our runner's gonna hit. Maybe. Yeah. Super annoying. That's fine. It's fine. All right. Let's get another pullback. 670s, 680s. Well, I'm gonna jump in again. Because why not? You know what? It's fun. I haven't traded a test account in a long time, and which is a good sign. That's a good thing, but it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun trading two minis. I mean, I don't want to say that I don't care about the results because I do, but it's just different than trading a funded account. It's just different. Come on down. Don't rip higher right here. Don't do it. Come on, man. I need a bigger pullback. We're not going to get it, are we? Just use Tradevate lock out for the first time. Let's go, TCM. That's awesome. Yeah, it's kind of free. I don't know. Yeah, Trader's Chick. It's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like, it's not like I don't care what the results are, but my level of caring is less, if that makes sense. And it just feels freeing. It feels like my level of anxiety is way less. And we might just miss this now. That's unfortunate. Yeah, there it goes. Oh, man. Just needed a little bigger pullback. Looks like we're grinding higher. It looks like we're grinding higher now. It's not that different with firms like TBT where you've already paid the activation fee. With Apex, I understand, but those TBT accounts will add up if you blow them because they're evals. Yeah, I agree, Prad. I mean, I don't disagree that the costs will add up really quickly. Yes, but it is still way different than having. It's way different than having a $1,000 red day on funded accounts. If you know what I mean. Yes, it hurts. It's not like, obviously, I don't want to blow these for sure, but it's different. We took 100 million barrels to Houston and they're making it so beautiful. Design. It's the most beautiful oil ever. And they're doing wonderful things with it. They're making roses out of oil. It's the best roses ever. You gotta love it. Oh, you gotta love it. It's all about ROI. Hey, chat. It is March, right? What is it right now? March 16th. I can't talk. It's March 16th. And we're doing good. We're doing good. As far as our expenses go, we're not having a good month in the sense of payouts. Basically, so far in March, we've just been slowly building up our P&Ls across the prop firms. But at least we haven't, well, except for today, we haven't been blowing accounts. Except for today. Let's just pretend like today didn't happen. I'm trying to look here. So right now we have a red month. That's not good. We need to we're just going to be cooked this month. That's just how it is. Unless, let me look. No, I'm not going to do this. Let's not even start. I was trying to think, how much money would I need to make? How much money would I need to make on these Lucid and Tradeify accounts in order to request a payout before the end of the month? Now I can't help myself. I said it, so now I need to look. Hang on, chat. We might be cooking. We might be on to something. Do not do this at home. Do not do this at home. So I need 5,600 more divided by, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more days. Actually 9. Divided by 9. Hey, that's doable, chat. We just need $620 on average. That's all we need. Then we are cooking. Who is this we and we're doing good? And who is this our in our expenses? Did you not know, Design Knob? You guys, hey, that's just how it is. I can't help it. All right. We missed out, chat. We should have held. We should have held. Now it's just going straight up and we can't get in. You hate to see this. This is what we needed to get a good first day on these accounts. How? I guess I do. I would technically have 11 days, but by the time I request, it's not going to hit the current month. So I'm going to say 9 days. So we need $620 days on the Lucid and Tradeify accounts. How hard can it be, chat? How hard can it be? If I'm trading straight to funded accounts, yes, Manoble. I love straight to funded accounts, Tradeify and Lucid. That's all I use. Well, for the most part. Do not question Nutty's language. If he loses, we lose. If he wins, he wins. Exactly, Amakra. You get it. If I win, I will use I. And if I lose, somehow I'll try to make it be your fault. If that's okay, chat. Is that okay? Help me. It's called a coping mechanism. It's called cope. I need someone else to blame for my bad trade. Somehow, just need you guys to stand strong, put your shoulders out, take it like a man. Six minis, 5 points. How hard? Oh dear, don't give me those thoughts. That's what I thought that. If I go 5 mini, hang on, chat.